Option Alpha Review 2025. Is this trading bot really worth your time and money? So let's find out. And make sure to like and subscribe. So, Option Alpha is an automated options trading platform that promises smart, rules based trading using bots. No coding needed. So, after testing it for a few weeks, here's what I learned. The bot builder is beginner friendly. You can create complex automation using the drag and drop logic like if then conditions, which is great for traders who want automation without writing scripts. It connects to brokerage like Tradier and lets you automate entries, exits, stop losses, and more, all based on technical or probability based logic. And one of the best parts is the paper trading mode. You can fully test your bots without risking capital. It also provides clear logs and performance metrics. And now for the downsides. It's not a set it and forget it tool. You will still need market knowledge to create strategies that works. Also, real-time data is limited unless you are on higher tier plans. And while there's a free plan, serious trading features are locked behind the Pro subscription, which costs around $79 a month. So, for final verdict, if you are into options trading and you want automation without code, Option Alpha is a solid choice. But it's not magic. It works best for traders who already understand risk management and if you want to scale their strategies. So, if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.